Hi, I'm Katie Sweeney, and I'm going to show you how to make champagne-infused grapes. These grapes are delicious, and you can use them as a garnish for desserts, float them in a glass of champagne, or put them on a cheese plate. Here's how it's done. I'm going to start by just pulling the grapes off of the stem. We need about a cup of grapes. And these are just regular purple red grapes, seedless, that are in season right now. So we've got a bottle of Prosecco here, and we're going to cover our grapes with this fizzy bubbly. Now we're going to let it sit for 4 hours, and the grapes are going to be infused with all of that delicious champagne. So our grapes have been infused with the Prosecco for about 4 hours, and now it's time to try one. These little grapes are just absolutely delicious. They're filled with that yeasty goodness of champagne, and they would be so wonderful floating in a punch or alongside cheese and charcuterie on a cheese platter.